Okay, so here is a fun way to get rid of hiccups, okay? So when someone's got hiccups, including yourself, right, all I want you to do is block your nose with your thumbs. Block your nose with your thumbs. Then, with your forefingers, block your ears. So block your nose totally, block your ears totally, and swallow 3 times in a row. You must swallow 3 times in a row, okay? Once you've done that, search for the hiccups, look for them. They won't be there anymore. Guaranteed, works every time. But you must swallow 3 times and have your ears and your nose blocked, okay? Works fantastic with kids, anybody. All right, good. Enjoy that one.